The next standard integral would be how to evaluate the powers of trigonometric functions, sine function, cos function. The question would be, say, sine raised to the power mx, you have to integrate with respect to x, or cos raised to the power mx, you have to integrate with respect to x, where m would have a particular range. That means it can be natural number but not greater than 4. So, it can be sin x, sin square x, sin cube x, sin raised to the power 4x, same goes with cos. So, how to do such kind of questions? We have one question in front of us which was asked in the CBSE previous year examination year 2000 and 2004, sin raised to the power 4x. So, in this type of questions, you have to basically use the formula of cos 2 theta or something of that sort. So, that is how you do it, that is how we are going to do it. So, let us write solution and let us start with the solution. First understand, then copy. Sin raised to the power 4x. Can it not be written as? In the power, it is sin raised to the power 4x. It can be written something called as sin square x raised to the power 2 again, then dx. Now, what is sin square x formula? It is nothing but in the form of cos 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx, because whole square is already outside. Now, certain things can come out common. Let us take out common. 2 square is 4, 1 by 4 common, and it is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x whole square and then dx, right. Now, let us open this whole square. It will become very easy for us to solve. 1 by 4 integration 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x. Then you have to now finally integrate with respect to x. So, let us see how does it become easy for us. 1 by 4 outside, then it is what? It is nothing but integration of 1 with dx, which is dx, right. Next, plus cos square 2x integration. Now, cos square 2x, you have to use the formula. So, it is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta means 4x whole over 2, and this you have to integrate in the further step. Minus 2 is already there, so minus 2 is already there. Integration of cos 2x with respect to x, and now I am closing what has to be closed. 1 by 4 is outside, right. Next, what I have to do now, last but not the least steps are to just integrate it and reach at the final answer. But the methodology you have understood, I hope. It was nothing but breaking into cos 2x and all formulas. Now, 1 by 4 is there and it should be nothing but x for this integration. Then 1 by 2 makes it nothing but x by 2. Then plus 1 by 2 multiplied by cos 4x. Cos 4x integration is sin 4x. So, 1 by 2 and sin 4x should be there and multiplied by 4 2 because of this. Then minus 2 sin 2x. So, very easy, minus 2 sin 2x, and whole over 2 also has to be done because of this 2. Plus constant of integration you cannot ignore. Now, cancel whatever cancels. We have something called as 2 and 2 getting cancelled, and later I have reached the answer. X plus x by 2 is nothing but 3x by 2. So, 3x by 2 and 4 of outside can be introduced inside 2. Then plus 1 by 32 sin 4x, right. Then we have sin 2x term. So, 1 by 4 and minus is there. So, minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. So, that is how you do these kind of questions. This 2 into 4 can be made 8 by your own.